I'm gonna make you an offer. Free help. Real tools. No gimmicks. Most people wait for permission, for the right time, for someone else to show them the way. But here's the truth, AI isn't the future.
It's the key, not just to the system, but to clarity, to confidence, to building something that doesn't die the moment you stop pushing.
This is your turning point. You don't need to figure it all out. You just need to follow the next step. The system runs, the leads come, the work flows. Let it begin.
They told you it's too late, too complicated, too expensive to build AI yourself. They were wrong. You don't need $1 million team. You need a system. You need Mikey.ai.
I can't keep up with this AI stuff. I'm not built for it.
You don't have to do it alone. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start.
Have helped over 4,000 people learn AI. And would love to help you.
You don't have to do it alone. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start.
Step 1, the machine. You'll finally understand what AI agents are, how they work, and how they can completely transform your life and your income. No more AI overwhelm, no more hype. This is the real foundation that makes everything else possible.
You think the world runs on hustle, but the ones who win, they automate.
Step 2, your agent toolbox. Here's where we set up your tools, your accounts, your integrations, without stress, without confusion, and without needing to Google every step. If you skip this part, you're flying blind, but when you get it right, you're fully equipped to build anything.
Hi, I'm Mikey. I've helped thousands of people learn AI. Tell me what you're struggling with. I would love to help you too.
Step 3, your first micro agent. Now it gets real. You'll build a tiny AI agent that does one specific job, like replying to a message, sending an email, or posting a piece of content. It's simple, it's fast, and it gives you your first win. This is where you go, oh wow, I can actually do this.
I'm gonna make you an offer. Free help. Real tools. No gimmicks.
Step 4, launch a full workflow. We're not playing with pieces anymore. Now you'll combine multiple steps into a full automation system. It runs tasks. It handles business. It works without you. This is where you go from dabbling to deploying. Step 5, AI Money Machines 101. Let's talk about cash. Here, I show you all the real ways people are making money with AI agents, from automating services, to building software, to creating content, to closing clients. You won't have to guess what works. I'll show you exactly what to focus on first.
It's not about being the smartest. It's about showing up. You're gonna get hit. But if you automate, you stay standing.
Step 6, build your money machine. Now you pick your model, and you build a sellable automation system using a free tool called N8N. This thing solves a real-world problem, and it can generate income on autopilot. This is your turning point, from learning to creating something people actually want.
I just need one thing to work.
Step 7, market your money machine. What good is a great system if no one sees it? Here, I show you how to launch, package, and promote your creation. Even if you hate sales, even if you have zero audience, no cringe, no pressure, just clear strategy that gets eyeballs and gets results.
Is this a dream? No. It's your business automated.
Step 8, pick your path. You've got options. Want to build a full-blown software business? Go for it. Want to run an agency and serve clients? Done. Want to freelance on the side or make passive income while you sleep? Absolutely. Here's where you pick your lifestyle, and I help you build the exact AI stack that fits it. Step 9, the AI marketing machine. Now you clone yourself. You'll use AI to handle your Facebook ads, your Google ads, your emails, your text messages, even your daily content. And the best part, you don't need to write or film anything. AI will do the scripting, the voiceovers, the posting, all of it. This is your 24/7 marketing department, powered by agents. Step 10, AI content publishing. Want to publish an ebook, a blog post, a lead magnet? You won't have to write a word. You'll build agents that research, write, and format it all for you. And yes, you can even publish on Amazon. You'll build authority, you'll grow your list, and you'll never stare at a blank page again. Step 11, AI outreach and client engine cold DMs, dead. Manual follow-up, gone. Now you'll launch an AI sales funnel that does it all. Finds leads, sends emails, handles objections, and books sales calls without you lifting a finger. This is your tireless, loyal, never sleeps sales rep, working all day, every day. Step 12, stack and scale. This is the big finale. You'll take everything you've built and combine it into one full AI business system. Or better yet, you duplicate it for other clients, niches, or offers. Now you've got a blueprint, you've got a product, you've got momentum. This is where you scale it up and turn it into a real business engine that grows month after month. Let me ask you, do you want to learn about AI, or do you want to use AI to build something that pays you? Because this system, it's not about watching videos, it's about building agents, deploying systems, and launching a business that doesn't need you in every step. So yeah, this isn't a course. It's the blueprint for your first AI-powered business. And you're only 12 steps away. Click below and get started. Let's build your money machine.
Why isn't any of it working? Another tool? Another funnel? I've tried everything. Nothing sticks. You built the pieces, but you don't believe they'll connect. That's not your fault. You were taught to click buttons, not to trust the system.
You didn't fail. You were handed chaos and told to guess.
You've been guessing. That ends tonight. No more spinning wheels, no more tutorials. Just this, and the world starts paying attention.